While sitting cross-legged, draw your elbow back slightly to allow your chest to expand. Take deep breath with the back straightened and shoulders settled on the rib cage. Slowly release your breath by exhaling with the pelvis slightly curved under.
In bounces, there is a complete circular energy from the top of the head to the pelvic area. The top of the head reaches the floor to completely round the spine for a stretch.
Start setting on the floor with your knees bent and the feet crossed together. Draw in your legs with wrists resting on your knees. Gradually move your right, left shoulder to the front, keeping your back straight, then slowly return back to previous position. The starting position begins with the first or fifth position. Keeping both legs straight, brush one foot on the floor away from the other leg. Brush through with the toes until they are fully stretched, creating a fully pointed foot. Once you've reached the full extension of your working leg, reverse this action beginning with the toes until the leg returns to its original position. Start with third position of the arm with body slightly curved. Regain balance to second position with arm raised sideward, gracefully curved at shoulder level. Shift your body weight to one leg bending the knee until it reaches a 90-degree angle and the other leg remains straight with arms at third position. Starting position begins with the first position with arms curved sideward and shoulder level. Lift your right leg to the front at a full extension. Bend your supporting leg at knee level with the working leg half bent to the front. Arms in first position. Slowly raise the working leg to the front with the supporting leg unfolded. Regain balance to first position. Starting position begins in the fourth position while setting with the back legs inner tight on the floor. The front knee is bent at 90 degrees and the ball of the front foot touches the floor. The arms always work with the spine and do not have a movement of their own. The shoulders are always grows and lifts out of the pelvic girdle. Lie on your back. Take the contraction while your knees soften. Arms are placed at both sides. Hands are cupped. Torso is straight and the head remains touching the floor.